Of all the things a brain does for you, thinking is one of the most important. The simple act of paying attention and remembering can be grueling work for someone with a brain injury. It may be harder to focus on the instructor during class or paying attention at work. Remembering details, appointments, the order of events and conversations can seem impossible. Planning your time, scheduling meetings, or organizing your work tasks may be difficult. Multitasking before your injury was no big deal. Now you can only focus on one task at a time, period. Brain fog isn't just a passing moment for many TBI survivors. Brain fog exhibits with moments of panic, feelings of being disoriented, and clusters of confusion. Some survivors are impulsive, not able to control themselves like they used to. You may also have difficulty speaking or understanding what is said to you. Speech therapists who specialize in cognitive therapy can help you improve thinking and speaking skills. Be sure to find a speech therapist with experience in brain injury treatment. Neuropsychologists can give tests to understand your strengths and difficulties with thinking. A clear understanding of where you are after your brain injury can make your cognitive therapy more effective.
Sam was 12 when he was hit by a car while riding his bike. He spent 3 days in the hospital for a leg fracture. Like many brain injury victims, medical providers told him that they had a minor head injury and he would be fine. After returning to school 2 weeks later, his grades dropped dramatically. He could not concentrate in class, sound and light bothered him. He became moody and sometimes violent, putting holes in the walls and even hitting his younger sister. A speech therapist helped him with his concentration. With the help of a psychologist, he learned tactics to help him calm down before he had an outburst. With a little extra help in school, his grades and behavior had improved.